If you need to export SVG files in Photoshop, or quickly extract the raw vector code from a shape or text layer, this tutorial is going to make the process fast and easy. SVG files are perfect when you want scalable graphics that stay sharp at any size, and Photoshop actually gives you a simple way to copy that SVG code directly from the layer itself. So in this video, I'll show you the quickest method, step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to save your design as an SVG file. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Photoshop and make sure you have a clean vector shape layer or a text layer ready to export. This method works best when the layer is built from vector-based elements, because SVG is all about scalable math, not pixels. So, go to your Layers panel and find the shape, path, or text layer you want to convert into SVG format. Once you've selected the correct layer, right-click directly on the layer name. This part is important because you want to right-click the layer itself, not just somewhere on the canvas. From the menu that appears, choose Copy SVG. Photoshop will instantly copy the raw SVG code to your clipboard. What you're getting here is the actual XML vector data behind the artwork, which is exactly what makes SVG so useful for web graphics, logos, icons, and responsive design. Now that the SVG code is copied, the next step is to paste it into a text editor. You can use something simple like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac. If you prefer, you can also paste it into Adobe Illustrator. Open your editor, create a new blank document if needed, and then press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste the code. You'll notice that instead of a picture, you see plain text code. That is completely normal. This is the SVG markup that describes your vector artwork. If you're planning to save it manually, take a quick look to make sure the code pasted correctly and that nothing looks missing. Now go to File, then choose Save As. When naming your file, use something clear and simple, like logo, icon, or design. The key step here is making sure the file extension ends in .svg instead of .txt. So if the editor tries to save it as a text file, manually change the ending from .txt to .svg before you finish saving. That file extension is what tells your computer and websites that this is an SVG file, not a plain text document. Once it's saved properly, you can upload it, use it on a website, or open it in compatible software that supports scalable vector graphics. A quick tip, if you're exporting for web use, make sure the vector layer is clean and simple before copying. Complex effects, raster images, or unsupported Photoshop features may not translate perfectly into SVG. For best results, use basic shapes, paths, or text converted to vector-based content. And that's it. You've now learned how to export SVG files in Photoshop using the fastest copy and save method. It's a simple workflow, but it can save you a lot of time when you need clean vector output from a design. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Photoshop tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.